Okay, see children, now we are going to represent another irrational number. As a, I am going to take 3.5 now. Means I am going to represent the irrational number, that is 3.5 now. Okay. So see the first point here. Mark the distance of a units. Means mark the distance of 3.5 units and just to take it as a. Okay. Now I am going to mark the distance, which is 3.5 in measure. Okay. 1, 2, 3.5. Okay, here it is 3.5. Now we have to mark it as AB. Now it is AB, children. And what is the next point? Extend the length by 1 unit and mark it as C. Extend the length by 1 unit and mark it as C. Okay, I am going to extend this by 1 unit, and I am going to mark it as C. Okay, and see children, next what is the point here? Find the center of AC and mark O. Find the center of AC and mark O. See children, what is the distance between this AB? Distance between AB is 3.5. Distance between this AB is 3.5. 3.5 plus 1, it is equal to 4.5. Means half of 4.5. Half of 4.5 would be the center. Okay, but I am going to mark the center geometrically. Now I am going to take the radius more than half of the AC. More than half of AC. Okay, now let's draw the arcs here with center A and also with center O. Okay, now just join this two meeting points. Okay, now it is the center that I have taken O here. Okay, now see the next point, children. Draw the semicircle with center O and radius OC. Draw the semicircle with center O and radius OA or OC. Let me draw the semicircle with center O and the radius OA or OC here. Okay. Okay, it is the semicircle. And next point, children, draw a line perpendicular to AC. Now we have to draw a line which is perpendicular to AC and passing through the point this B, and it must intersect the semicircle at point D. Okay, let me draw the perpendicular at point B. Now the intersecting point or meeting point of this line and this semicircle I am taking D. Okay. Now you just join this OD. Okay. See children, what is the distance between this OA, children? Distance between this OA is half of 4.5. Half of 4.5, because the distance between this AB is 3.5 and here distance between this BC is 1 unit. 3.5 plus 1, that is 4.5. Half of 4.5. Half of 4.5 is 2.25. Half of 4.5 is 2.25. Okay, it is 2.25. Let's see here. AO plus OB is equal to AB. OA plus OB is equal to AB. What about AO, children? AO is 2.25 and OB we are going to find. And what about AB here? AB is 3.5. AB is 3.5. Now this 2.25 you just send to RHS. OB is equal to 3.5 minus 2.25. 3.5 minus 2.25. How much, my dear children? Here there is nothing, means there is 0. Just 1.25. 1.25. Distance between this OB I got 1.25. Okay, distance of OB I got 1.25. And what is the distance between this O and D, my dear children? This OD is equal to OA and OC, because this OD is also a radius. And OD distance is 2.25 units. Okay. Now OB I have 1.25, OD I have 2.25. Now it is the right angle triangle. OBD is the right angle triangle. So here to find BD I can apply the Pythagoras theorem. OD square is equal to OB square plus BD square. OD square is equal to OB square plus BD square. What is the value of OD? OD is 2.25 whole square. And what about OB? OB is 1.25 whole square. 1.25 whole square. And BD is just we are going to find the value of BD. Okay? 2.25 whole square. Children, we have one shortcut method. 5 is 25 and 22, 23 is 506. And we have to double here so that after 4 digits we have to take the decimal point. And here 1.25 whole square, 5 is 25 and 12 13s are 156, right? 156. And here also after 4 digits we have to take the decimal point plus BD square. Now as I am going to find the value of BD, I am sending this LHS. I am sending this value to the LHS. 5.060625 minus 1.5625, it is equal to BD square. Now BD square is equal to 5.0625 minus 1.5625. If you could do 100%, you will get 3.5 only. And now BD is equal to root 3.5 units. BD is equal to root 3.5 units. Okay, means the length of this BD I got root 3.5. Root 3.5. And now this BD I am going to represent on number line. This BD I am going to represent on number line. So now you just consider this B as 0 and C as 1. Means the number line is going to be started from this 0. Okay, you just extend this. Okay, I am going to extend this. Okay, now to locate the irrational number root 3.5, let's take the radius of this BD, that is root 3.5 units, and draw an arc which must intersect the number line. Okay, now see children, actually this point is 2 and this is 3 and this is 4 if you are extending this. Yes or no? Now it is the location of this root 3.5. It is the location of root 3.5. Just slide before of this 2 I got here. Okay. See children, it is the way of representation of an irrational number on number line by geometrical method, geometrically. Okay. In this method, by this method, we can locate any irrational number directly without knowing the location of previous number. Okay. Children, hope you all have understood this. You just follow these steps. Okay. Actually, what's happening in this process, you will understand by your practice. Okay. Please do practice more. And see children, and today's your work. Okay. I am giving as a homework. Okay. You just represent root 4.5. Root 4.5 on number line. And just if you got the answer, if you got the location, write on your you just comment it. Okay.